crab rear lights and these fake vents, which is why this Honda Civic is better than the Mazda 3. All Honda provides this really cool body kit design and the infamous front grille, a fender signal lights, a 17-inch alloy wheels that goes really nice with the design. You are looking at 123 horsepower, which is slightly more powerful than the Mazda 3. Comes with an 1.6-liter i-VTEC engine that delivers a combination of style, performance and practicality. Good fuel efficiency, a rating of 14 kilometers per liter. Inside you got these comfortable leather seats, which is spacious and comfortable. A cool looking dashboard design, 8-inch display audio touchscreen, Bluetooth, a rear view camera and a keyless entry. Also comes with a sporty steering wheel. You got these really cool original spoilers